Good morning, everyone. I'd like to acknowledge the traditional custodians of this land, the Kura-Wrong people, and pay my respects to their elders past, present and emerging.
Welcome back, everyone. It's good to see everyone back at school. Just a reminder to make sure you sanitise and keep washing your hands and try and social distance if you can.
So the F5 Assembly Awards this week, F1 Richmond, Leo Slater for having a red hot go with your riding, Charlie Jones for putting effort in all your work you complete in class, 1-2 Delaney, Riley Power for being resilient and brave if something doesn't go right at school, Isabella Richmond for sharing her great ideas with the class and spreading positivity, 3 U3 Carmody, Rylan Amos for trying hard in class and having a go at all work, Holly McGuigan for always giving 100% to your schoolwork, 4-5 Bar, Oliver Wilson for a positive beginning at Mortlake College, Michael Hall for doing his best to keep up with and finish all classwork, 4-5 Grant, Summer Jones for the effort you have put into your Ladybug Maths, and Bella Wilson for starting school at Mortlake College with a positive mindset and a smile. Congratulations to all these students.
A big happy birthday to Blake Forrest, Kiana Burgess, Noah Bradbury, Tane Demansa, Lockie Lehman, Elise Killen, Piper Jarvie, Mackenzie Mann, Tanisha McKay, Emmett Scott Sheaves and Hamish Holmes.
We will now go to a commercial break.
Australia's Gary Flynn went into the 200-metre wheelie bin final, the rank outsider. What happened next made elite average games history.
Quickly into the bend. Oh no! The Dutchman's hit the deck. There's a pile-up. Call the council. Flynn's hit the front. Our man's going to win. Gold for Australia. Have some of that.
Incredible! They'll make TV ads out of this, JB.
Another make it look easy moment from Sportsbet.
Hello, Mortlake College Assembly fans. Isn't that a great way to start the day? Something totally different with live streaming our first assembly. So hopefully the technology is going pretty well and we're beaming live into your classrooms. And if we can get it right, we'll be beaming live into your lounge rooms very shortly. So thank you very much for the great start to the term. I think we had a very settled start, so I thank everyone for their cooperation and understanding, and we realise how lucky we are to be back at school full time. So hopefully that can continue. As our school leader said, let's remember to sanitise. Let's really focus on washing our hands, also using the hand sanitizer and social distancing. All right, we'd like to think if everyone in our school community and everyone in our local community can do the right thing, we might get to stay open for the rest of the term. So that's a good goal to go for. So thank you for your great start. Focus that I'm focusing on for this next week is, look, we're all a bit excited. I think some people, and I'm only talking to a few, being a bit over loud in the classrooms and sometimes being a little disruptive. So let's make sure that we keep it at a good working level. It's great to be back, but we want to lock the police on targeting classroom disruption. So make sure that we do the right things there, please. MVPs. So I've got a couple of MVPs I'd like to award. And first two awards are for two little prep students. I reckon we can learn a lot from their enjoyment of coming to school and being so happy. So the first one's to Jack Billing. Thanks for being an MVP at Mortlake P12 College. We really appreciate the way you come to school each day and have huge positive greeting for everyone. Keep doing the right things, keep having fun, and keep having a red hot go. Well done to Jack from the Mortlake College community. Also, another one is for Regan G. So thanks for being an MVP in Mortlake College. We really appreciate the friendly welcoming and the stories that you share with us all the time. So we want you to keep having fun and keep having a red hot go. And as you asked me with all the students, is how many sleeps until your birthday? Well, it's only 48 more sleeps to your birthday, so we can get excited very soon, Regan. 2 staff MVPs that I'd like to hand out. The first staff one goes to Mr. Bell. I want to thank Mr. Bell because we really enjoy and I know you enjoyed how you've embraced new technologies at school. Thanks for being a great technology support to other staff member, and you've even worked out a way to convert old technology, old machines into Chromebooks. So keep up the great work, keep having a red hot go. Well done from the Mortlake College community. And my final MVP for the week is Mrs. Pekin. So thank you for being an MVP at Mortlake College. We really appreciate the way that you assist staff and students at our school. Thanks for being a great fitness guru to share your experiences with others during the corona lockdown. Keep up the great work, keep having a red hot go. Well done from the Mortlake College community. So well done to this week's MVPs. I'm just now going to go to a pre-recorded movie. So unfortunately we had a staff member finish up with us last week, and we had a little ceremony to thank her for all the work. So I'll now roll to the videotape. It's one of those ones that it's a sad note and a happy note. It's sad because unfortunately the first Wednesday of term marks that almost after 4 years that Steph's finishing up working for Mortlake P12 College. But it's a happy note because she's been able to graduate and get herself through university, and she's about to embark on the next stage of her working life and the start of a teaching career. So Steph, we've really enjoyed having you as part of the team at Mortlake College for the last almost, we say, 4 years. You've been tremendous, you've been very flexible, you've worked in a different amount of roles across the school, which we've all appreciated your friendship and support. So we wish you all the very best for your teaching career, because you've graduated, and it'll be you'll no doubt you'll do a great job. So we've got a little gift for you on behalf of Mortlake College. So there you go. So all the best.
Thank you so much. I just want to say thanks to everyone at Mortlake College. It's always made me feel so welcome and so happy. And I love my job, and I've loved the last few years, and I can't wait to see what the next step brings and use everything I've learnt over my time here. So thank you.
No worries. All the best, Steph.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No worries. Well, welcome back to live stream assembly fans. Now, I don't know whether I'm a mixture of a football commentator or Carl Stefanovic or David Koch. I'm probably the best bits of all of them. That's how I like to see myself on. But we've got a special guest live on the couch, and a big, cool Mortlake welcome to Miss Zoe Damon, who's our new performing arts and humanities teacher, taking over from Mr. Gellert. So we welcome Zoe to school last week. So big Mortlake welcome to you, Zoe.
Thank you.
How about we start by telling us a little bit about yourself?
Well, I've been a teacher for 6 years, and I've been teaching in the Southwest pretty much that whole time. I built a little house in Warrnambool. It's off-grid and it's sustainable. And I live there with my partner and his kids. I've got 2 dogs, a couple of motorbikes, which is always good fun for moving the dogs around. And like to grow roses and play hockey and knit.
Oh, there you go. Very good. Thank you. What do you love about teaching and education?
I think I love that every day is different. I don't think I've had 2 days the same in all this time that I've been teaching, in all my vast years of experience there. And I think I love that I'm always learning new things, I'm meeting new people, trying new things, and I just love that I embrace every day because it's going to be unlike the one before.
Oh, very good. And just finally, have you got a future positive message you could give to all of us?
Be kind, be patient, and learn as much as you can.
No worries. Well, thank you, Zoe, for sharing your thoughts with us. We really appreciate it, and we really wish you all the very best with your time here. Just to finish with the word of the week, we're launching a new program with the Prep to Fives on Wednesday called Avocados. So it's about building up our relationship skills and just learning about values and just really following on with the positive message theme. And our word of the week is empathy, because I think in these difficult times you can never show too much empathy, and I like to think empathy is the ability to walk in someone else's shoes. So if someone is having a difficult time, you don't go and make things more difficult for them. You need to be able to flip yourself into their shoes and see it from their perspective. So if they're having a tough time, they don't need others making it tougher for them. So especially it's so tough at the moment, so many different things going on in the community. It's just we all really need to be very empathetic and show care and concern for everyone. So word of the week is empathy. So thanks for joining us live at the Mortlake College live stream assembly. We hope it's been well received out there, and we'll see you all next week.